Hello everyone, this is Abhi again. Around 3 years back when I started teaching in a business school, I had a very unique problem. The students that I was teaching came from a number of different backgrounds and disciplines. Some were from mathematics and finance and computer science, and some other were from history or English. It was a mix and they were not uniformly competent in terms of programming languages. Now, I try to teach data analytics using the open source tools like R and Python because they are the best thing that can happen to any data analyst at this point of time. But I was having a lot of resistance to teach especially the non-technical students because they are not familiar with programming at all. So I was thinking for a very long time what I can do so that they can utilize the strengths of R in their work or in their learning process. So this is what I came up with when I was doing the trial and error and the experiments. I'm going to show you what exactly I did. I came up with an intermediate layer between U and R that is installed in your Windows machine. And this intermediate layer looks like kind of a chatbot where you can type sentences, you can ask anything from it, and it will do that using the backend R processing. It communicates with R in the backend. So I'm going to show you a few of the functionalities that it has. First, I'm accessing a data set. Now, as you see, this data set is a real estate data set. That means the rows are different houses. The different columns are like the total value, that is a price, or maybe the number of floors, number of rooms, number of bedrooms, number of baths, full baths, half baths, kitchen, and so on. And let me put it this way. Suppose the business problem you have is to be able to understand what influences the price of a house in a particular locality where this data came from. Let's say you are a real estate agent and you are trying to understand what are the major influencers of the price of the house. Is it the number of floors? Is it the number of bedrooms? Is it the gross area or the lot square feet? And things like that. And one great way of doing this is creating visualizations. So you can just go ahead and just say plot total value. And it plots a histogram for the total value. It identifies that total value is a numeric field, and based on that, it chose to draw the histogram. Now I'm going to close this for a moment, and I'm going to plot remodel, which is a categorical variable, and there are 3 values that it takes. Now here, as you see, it chose to create a bar chart for the 3 values: none, old, and recent. You can do a combination of variables. You can say plot total value against remodel. And it's going to identify a box plot for you because remodel is a categorical variable and total value is a numeric variable. But you might also choose to draw the graph that shows the relationship between, let's say, the total value and gross area. And it identifies that both are numeric variables and it has to be a scatter plot, so it does that this way. There are various other functionalities that this particular layer has. It is a simple Windows exe file. I call it Analyst Assist, and just wanted to show this to you in case this will be useful for you. So if it is, let me know and I can share that with you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.